Guys, my name is Dr. Shubham Malhotra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today video I made for my friends, those who are going to appear in Plab 1 exam and those who are thinking about preparing for Plab 1. So this video I made to get to know and to tell you why most people and the people, those who fail Plab 1, what can be the reasons and why you should avoid it. So let's get back to it. So the number one reason is not knowing the pattern of this exam. So let's just briefly, I'll tell you what is the pattern of Plab 1 and what does it consist of. So Plab 1 exam, guys, it consists of 180 questions and they will give you 3 hours to solve 180 questions. Plab 1 basically focuses on patient care, basically focuses on your ability to apply your knowledge for care of patients and not how well you can recite the facts. Each correct answer you give is worth 1 mark and there will be no negative marking, guys. Remember this. Now, the second mistake that most of the aspirants that they make is they doesn't give or allocate the time according to the exam. For example, in the real exam, you have 180 questions and for that you have 3 hours. That means 1 minute for each question, guys. But when you are doing mocks, try to finish 180 questions in 2.5 hours because in real exam, it will be tough to solve all the questions on time if you aren't doing in your mocks in 2.5 hours. So try to do your mocks in less time that is required in real exam. We'll talk about difficult questions and how to solve it. See, guys, whenever you face a difficult questions, try to think. If you don't know the answer, try to go with your instincts and move on, because if you will waste your time on this question, then there are going to be very easy questions which you already know, but you will not be able to solve them because of lack of time. So my advice would be go with your instinct and move on. So this is the second thing that you should keep in your mind. Time allocation is very important. Now the third thing is try to find the knowledge gaps in your preparation. Now let's see how to find it. Give as many mocks as you can because this will help you in finding the weaknesses that you have in your preparation, and also you will get to know the frequently tested topics in Plab 1 exam. And don't forget to review and understand the core concepts that is asked in these mocks. Now the fourth thing is interpretation technique. How will you interpret the question? It also plays a role in scoring and passing Plab 1. You should know what is the importance of careful reading and analyzing the each questions, guys. Like you should assume keywords and you should know how to eliminate the incorrect answers, and that you can only do when you will practice more and more mocks. For example, if you are reading a stem in Plab 1, try to read the last line, because in Plab 1 what they usually do is they will ask you what is the initial step, what is the next best step, what is the definitive management. So the keyword is always in the last line, and when you read the last line, try to read the options, because what it will give you an idea from which topic it has been asked, and then quickly read the whole stem and you are good to go. And you will see most of the times when you will read the last line and the options, you don't even need to read the whole line, whole stem. So that is the basic thing. You should know how to interpret a stem or interpret a question. So this is the mistake that most of the students do, that they don't know how to do it. Now, fifth thing is you should have enough confidence and less anxiety. And how will you do that now? And the answer is preparation. Read it 3 to 4 times, whatever resource, whether it is med revision, whether it is Plabable, Plab keys. Try to do it 3-4 times and try to do a big mock one big mock and try to do Plabable mocks. So try to score above 80% in Plabable mocks, and in big mock try to get above the cutoff marks and try to do 3 to 4 times revision. What it will do, it will give you immense confidence that you can pass Plab 1 exam, and it will decrease your anxiety levels immensely, and that will help you in passing Plab 1. So here are the 5 things. In summary, I'll tell you again. First thing, get familiar with Plab 1 pattern. Second, you should know how to allocate your time while preparing for Plab 1. Third, recognize your knowledge gaps and then work on it. Fourth is how to interpret question stem and questions. Fifth, have confidence in yourself and your preparation. That is it, guys. Keep it up. Thank you.